Hello dear student. So today I will discuss about the chapter 11 of class 8 of mathematics, which is mensuration. So what is the mensuration? Mensuration is a topic in which we study about the area, perimeter, volume, etc. So here we will discuss about the area, perimeter, volume of different shape. Okay. Now first one is what is perimeter? What is perimeter? The distance around the plane figure is known as the perimeter. For example, if we take an rectangle, this is point A, this is B, this is C, this is D. If this is L, this is B. This will also be L, this is also B. If we start from A and move forward to the B, after that C, after that D, and return back to the A, then how much distance we covered? Then this is L, this will be B, this will be L, and this will also be V. So total distance covered L plus L, that's it 2L, B plus B, that is 2B. So we will take 2 as a common, then L plus B. So this is known as the perimeter, that is P. So distance covered by the any plane figure in one around, then this is known as the perimeter. So here perimeter of rectangle is this is L, B, L, B. So total distance covered by in one around, then this is known as the perimeter. So we can also say that the distance around one cycle, then this is known as the perimeter. Now next one is area. What is the area? The region covered by a plane figure is known as area. The region covered by a plane figure is known as the area. For example, if we take any rectangle, then this total region covered is known as the area. This is known as the area. So region covered by any plane figure is known as the area. Now we will find the area and perimeter of different plane figure. For example, if we take square, if we take any square, this is A, this will also be A, this will also, so all the sides of any square is equal. So here perimeter is equal to A plus A plus A plus A, that is 4 into A. This is the perimeter. Now area is equal to length into breadth, that is A into A. This will be A square. So this is the area of the square. Now come to the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle. This is rectangle. This will be L, this will be B. So perimeter is equal to this also be L, this also be B. So L plus B plus L plus B. So 2L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now what is the area? Area is equal to length into breadth. So L into B. This is the perimeter of rectangle and this is the area of the rectangle. Now come to the trapezium. What will be the area of the trapezium? A, B, C, D. So you already know what is the trapezium. If one pair of sides are parallel, then this is known as the trapezium. So what is the trapezium? Area of the trapezium. Then this will be height into sum of parallel line. Sum of parallel lines and divide by 2. That is A is equal to 1 by 2 into AB plus CD and into height. Height will be the minimum distance present between the parallel line. So this is the minimum distance perpendicular draw. This will be height. So area is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel line. Parallel line is AB, CD. So AB plus CD or into minimum distance between the parallel line. So this is known as the area of the trapezium. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel lines into height. Now, what is the area of general quadrilateral? किसी एक quadrilateral के area हमें find करना है. This is the quadrilateral. This is A, B, C, D. So, what is the area of any general quadrilateral? Now, draw an diagonal. This is BD, and this is the height N1, and this will be the height H2. Now there are two triangles. One is ABD and second one is BCD. Now area is equal to area of ABD and plus area of BCD. Now put the area of ABD. So 1 by 2 into base, that is BD. This is base, this area, this is base into height into H1 plus 1 by 2 into base also BD into height is equal to H2. Now area is equal to, add, after adding we will get 1 by 2 into BD plus BD into we will take 1 by 2 into BD as a common. So area is equal to 1 by 2 into BD. Then H1 plus H2. So this is the area of any general quadrilateral. That is A is equal to 1 by 2 into BD into H1 plus H2. BD here is the diagonal. So 1 by 2 into diagonal into height of the triangles. Now come to the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. You already know what is the rhombus. All the sides are equal. So A, B, C, D. And this is the diagonal. This diagonal N1, this is diagonal T2. And you already know that diagonals of the rhombus perpendicular bisector, that is here will be 90 degree. So this will be height. So here area is equal to this triangle area plus this triangle area. So area is equal to area of ABD, that is 1 by 2 into BD into AO. BD, that is base, and AO, this is the height. So 1 by 2 into BD into height, 1 by 2 into base into height, plus 1 by 2 into BD into OC. This is also OC. Now A is equal to 1 by 2 into BD as a common, then AO plus OC. So this will be area is equal to BD. BD is the diagonal D1. So 1 by 2 into diagonal D1 and AO plus ASU. AO plus OC. This is the AO plus OC, that is AC. This is the D2. So D1 into D2. So this is known as the area of any rhombus. Okay. Now come to the volume of three-dimensional figure. First one is, what is solid shape? The shape which has no spaces inside. What is the solid shape? The solid shape is the shape which has no spaces present in the inside. Now, what is the hollow sphere? Yeah, hollow shape. The shapes in which volume is present inside, then it is known as the hollow shape. That, for example, ball, you have already seen what is the ball. Ball has the space inside the shape. Ball has the spaces inside them. Okay, this is known as the hollow shape. What is the solid shape? Solid shape, you have already seen the solid sphere which has no spaces present in the inside. Now come to the surface area of cube. What is the surface area of cube? Cube, that is all the sides are equal. This is the cube. If this is A, this is also A, and this is also A. Now surface area, you have to find the surface area, that is total surface area. Total surface area. Okay, this is TSA, total surface area, that is TSA. So what is the total surface area? Total surface area means the area of all the faces. That is 1 faces, 2 faces, 3 faces, 4 faces, 5 and 6. So total area faces, total faces area. So here this will be A into A square. A square plus A square. There are 6 faces. So A square plus A square plus A square plus A square plus A square and plus A square. There are 6 faces and all the faces have the area A square because all the faces are square. So here will be total surface area is equal to 6A square. A square into 6. So this is the total surface area of a cube. Now come to the surface area of cuboid. In cuboid all the 3 faces are different. So total surface area of cuboid, that is, if this is L, then this is B and this is H. In cuboid all the faces are different. Now find the total surface area. So here are 6 rectangles are present. First one is, this is 1 rectangle, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 rectangles faces are present in cuboid. Now this is the area of L into H plus L into H, because one face is here, another face is here, plus L into B plus L into B, L into B, L into B. Now L into B into H. This is B into H, this is also B into H. So this is 2LH plus 2BH plus 2LB. Now 2LH plus BH plus LB. So this is the total surface area of the cuboid. So you have to add the all the faces area, then you will find the total surface area of the any 3D object. In cube all the 6 faces are square and all the have side equal, and in cuboid all the 6 faces are the rectangle which has different sides L, H and B. So find the area of the different rectangle and add them. Here is 1 L into H, L into H. So find the area of different faces and add them. Then you will find the what is the total surface area. Now come to the surface area, total surface area of a cylinder. What is the total surface of the cylinder? This is the cylinder. If R is the radius of the upper and oval circle and H is the height of that cylinder. You know in cylinder there are 2 circles which is present top and bottom, and one is the H. So what is the total surface area? Then total surface area is equal to area of this circle, area of this circle and area of this face. So this is the area pi r square plus pi r square, pi r square plus pi r square plus what is the area of this? This will be, if we cut the cylinder like this, you will find an rectangle. If we cut the cylinder like this and open, if we cut the cylinder like this and open, you will find an rectangle, and breadth of this rectangle will be h, because this is h, and this will be 2 pi r, because here is the circle, and if we open this, then you will find the circumference of the circle as the length. Then area will be 2 pi r into h, length into breadth. So 2 pi r into h. Then after solving this, you will find 2 pi r plus h. So this will be total surface area of the cylinder. Okay. Now come to the volume of the different shapes. This is the surface area of different shapes. Now come to the volumes of the different shapes. So first one is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. This is A, this is A, this is A. Then what is the volume of the cube? Volume will be the base area into height. If you have to find the volume of any figure, then find the base area into height. So here is base area, A into A. This is the base. This is the base. And this is the height. So volume, if you have to find the volume, then find the base area into height. So this is the formula to find the volume of any figure. Here is base area, that is, this is the base. So area will be A into A, that is A square, and height is also A. So here A is equal to A cube. So volume of the cube is A cube. Now come to the volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. So this is cuboid where all the sides are different. That is, if is there L, this will be B, this will be L. Now you have to find the base area and multiply by height. So volume is equal to base area, that is, this is the base. So L into B, that is L into B, and what is the height? This is H. This is the height. This is the base. So base area L into B, and this is the height. So this will be volume is equal to LBH. This is the volume of any cuboid. Now find the what is the volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder. This is the cylinder. This height is H, and radius of this circle is R. Now find the volume. The volume is equal to base area into height. What is the base area? That is pi r square. Here is also r. So pi r square into h. So pi r square into h. That is V equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of a cylinder. So if you have to find volume of any figure, then find the area of the base surface and find the height and multiply it. That is area of the base into height. So this is the volume of any figure. So this is all about your chapter 11, that is mensuration. Now you have to solve the questions of exercise which has been given in your textbook. All the, I think here are 11.4 exercise has been given in your textbook. So you have to solve all the question. If any query, then you can ask me. Thank you.